Somewhere between a minivan and a Rolls-Royce, there are 7 SUVs that prove not all family cars are created equal. Today, we're climbing a ladder. 7 levels, 7 SUVs. Each one gets more powerful, more luxurious, more comfortable, and way more expensive than the last. I'm not telling you the #1 SUV yet. You have to earn that reveal. Let's start at the bottom where every journey begins. Level 7, KIA Sorento. Kia Sorento is where this ranking begins, and that's not an insult, it's a compliment. This nameplate has been around since 2002, but the current generation ditched the boxy old look for something sharp and almost European. Pricing starts around $32,000. The base engine is a 2.5-liter 4, making 191 horsepower, but the turbo version jumps to 281, and it actually feels lively off the line. Seating goes up to 8 passengers, and the third row works fine for kids on short trips. On the highway, it rides smooth and quiet for the price. The cabin uses soft-touch materials that punch above their cost. Tech includes dual panoramic screens, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto, standard on nearly every trim. Safety features like lane centering and blind spot monitoring come standard too. The hybrid returns low 30s miles per gallon, genuinely impressive for a 3-row. Cargo space is tight with the third row up, but expands nicely folded down. Fun fact, this nameplate has been running continuously since 2002, longer than almost any 3-row rival still sold today. It ranks level 7 because it's not the biggest or most powerful, just the smartest entry point into 3-row ownership. But level 6 takes the same formula and turns the volume all the way up. Level 6, Hyundai Palisade. Hyundai Palisade takes things to another level, and you feel it the second you sit down. Since debuting in 2020, it just went through a full redesign, bigger, boxier, and way more premium looking. Starting price lands around $39,000. The 3.5-liter V6 makes up to 287 horsepower, and the new turbo hybrid pushes 329 with instant torque that surprises people. Seating runs 7 to 8, and Hyundai stretched the wheelbase so adults actually fit back there now. Highway comfort is a real strength. Whisper quiet with a suspension that irons out rough pavement. Inside, you get soft leather, ambient lighting, and available reclining relaxation seats up front. Tech includes a 12.3-inch screen, wireless phone mirroring, and an available Bose 14 speaker system. Safety includes 10 airbags and a built-in dash cam most rivals don't offer. The hybrid hits mid-30s combined miles per gallon. Cargo space is generous with the seats folded flat. Fun fact, it's one of the only mainstream 3 rows with a factory-installed tow hitch option. It sits at level 6 because it out-luxuries a Sorento, but still can't match the size and toughness coming next. The next SUV changes everything about what a family hauler even means. Level 5, Toyota Grand Highlander. Toyota Grand Highlander earns its spot because it fixed a real problem, the regular Highlander's useless third row. Toyota stretched the platform back in 2023, and for 2026, it's basically unchanged because it didn't need to be. Starting price is around $42,000. The turbo 2.4-liter 4 makes 265 horsepower, while the hybrid max option combines that engine with electric motors for a properly quick 362. Seating comes in 7 or 8, and this third row genuinely fits adults on real trip. Highway ride is composed and quiet, with that stretched wheelbase smoothing out rough pavement noticeably. The interior leans practical over plush, but the storage solutions are genuinely clever. Tech includes a big touchscreen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and available JBL audio. Safety comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense on every trim, even the base model. The hybrid reaches mid-30s MPG combined. Cargo space is a real strength, nearly 98 cubic feet with seats folded, best in class. Fun fact, this Toyota is actually built in Princeton, Indiana, making it about as American-made as it gets. It lands at level 5 because nothing below matches its space, but it can't match the road presence coming next. You definitely won't expect how different the next SUV feels the moment you climb inside. Level 4, Kia Telluride. Kia Telluride takes everything the Sorento started and pushes it into genuinely premium territory. Since 2019, it's been cross-shopped against actual luxury brands, and the newest version swaps the old V6 for a turbo 4 with more torque. Pricing starts around $39,000, and that new engine makes roughly 274 horsepower with a stronger pull off the line than before. Seating spans 7 to 8, and the third row remains one of the most usable in this entire class. Ride quality stays composed on the highway, with self-leveling rear suspension available to keep things flat, even fully loaded. Step inside and you get quilted leather and real texture that feels borrowed from a luxury showroom. Tech includes dual 12.3-inch displays and an available Meridian 14 speaker system. Safety includes 19 active driver assistance systems standard, plus a 360-degree camera on top trims. Fuel economy sits in the low 20s. Cargo space is solid, and it can tow up to 5,500 pounds. Fun Fun fact, the Telluride was designed specifically for American buyers at Kia's California studio, and it shows. It ranks level 4 because it nails near luxury quality at a mainstream price, but it can't match the size and muscle waiting at level 3. The next SUV on this list is an entirely different animal. Level 3, Chevrolet Tahoe. Chevrolet Tahoe is where this list stops being about crossovers and starts being about real, body-on-frame American size. It's been a staple since 1995, and this generation's 2025 refresh carries into 2026 as the biggest leap in tech and refinement this nameplate has ever had. Starting price lands around $61,000. The standard 5.3-liter V8 makes 355 horsepower, with an available 6.2-liter V8 pushing 420, plus a turbo diesel option for max range and towing. Seating handles up to 9, and unlike everything below it, adults actually fit comfortably in that third row. Highway comfort is commanding, almost limousine smooth over rough pavement. The cabin feels genuinely spacious, with real leather and wood trim on premium versions. Tech centers on a massive 17.7-inch touchscreen with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety includes GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving system, something almost nothing else here offers. Fuel economy sits around 15 city, 20 highway. Cargo tops 120 cubic feet folded, and towing reaches 8,400 pounds. Fun fact, the diesel option makes nearly 500 pound-feet of torque, more twisting force than most sports cars produce. It sits at level 3 because it dominates space and towing, but lacks the bespoke luxury craftsmanship coming next. Level 2 is about to show you what happens when American muscle meets six-figure luxury. Level 2, Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac Escalade takes the Tahoe's bones and turns them into a full-blown status symbol. Since 1998, it's been shorthand for arrival, and the current generation's curved 55-inch display remains one of the most jaw-dropping things in any interior on sale. Starting price lands around $93,000. The standard 6.2-liter V8 makes 420 horsepower, while the Escalade 5 unleashes a supercharged 682. Seating fits 7 or 8, and the long wheelbase ESV adds dramatically more legroom and cargo. Highway comfort is next level, with available air ride suspension that essentially erases road imperfections. The interior wraps in semi-aniline leather and open-pore wood throughout. Tech includes an available 36-speaker AKG sound system and dual rear entertainment screens. Safety includes night vision and Super Cruise hands-free technology. Fuel economy hovers around 16 combined, a number nobody buying this cares about. Cargo in the ESV reaches 142 cubic feet, towing up to 8,100 pounds. Fun fact, the Escalade V's supercharged engine makes more horsepower than a Lamborghini Urus. It ranks level 2 because despite its price tag, it shares its bones with mainstream GM truck. Level 1 is built on something entirely its own, and it's about to make everything else feel ordinary. Level 1 Range Rover SV. Range Rover SV isn't just the top of this list, it's the destination this entire ranking has been building toward. Every SUV before this one compromised somewhere. On power, on materials, on exclusivity. The SV doesn't compromise on anything. Hand-finished and individually configured in numbers far smaller than anything else here. Pricing starts north of $230,000 and climbs fast once you start customizing. Power comes from a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8, making over 600 horsepower, delivering acceleration that feels less like driving and more like being transported. The long wheelbase version offers genuine 7-passenger seating, individually sculpted, heated, ventilated thrones rather than an afterthought. On the highway, it glides in near silence, so insulated that conversations happen at a whisper at 70 miles an hour. The interior uses semi-aniline leather from tanneries usually reserved for high fashion, with hundreds of hours of handwork per vehicle. Tech includes rear entertainment displays and a Meridian signature sound system built specifically for this cabin. Safety includes every advanced system Land Rover offers, wrapped in a structure engineered to match its price. Fuel economy sits around 18 combined, a number nobody here is thinking about. Fun fact, certain SV models are built through Land Rover's bespoke commissioning program, where no two vehicles are ever exactly alike. This is level 1 because nothing else offers this level of exclusivity, craftsmanship, and effortless power in one package. Every SUV before this was built for families. This one was built for people who've already achieved everything and simply want to arrive in something unforgettable. Reaching this level isn't an upgrade, it's the goal. So there you have it, 7 levels, 7 completely different personalities, all built to move a family of 7. Which one would you actually buy with your own money? And which SUV do you think we ranked too low? Drop it in the comments, I read everyone. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one. Because in the world of SUVs, there's always another level waiting to be climbed.